Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Renata, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my thoughts on this beautiful dress that I'm actually wearing right now. It is in collaboration with Alisa of Sloths and Orchids, and we are very excited to bring these review to you guys because it has been a while since this has been out on the market, and I just wanted to share my thoughts. I've had the pattern for a while, and while talking with Alisa, we decided to collaborate. So if you guys have not seen any of her videos, I will leave a link to her channel down in the description area. And for those of you that are coming from her channel to check out this reveal, thank you so much. I'm really excited about it. I think it turned out really great. So let's jump into the next section where I take you through this beautiful Erica dress by Style Sew Me. So a little bit about the Erica dress. This dress was designed for Style Sew Me by Erica Bunker of Erica B Styles. She is a very well-known blogger, a sewing blogger, a vlogger in the sewing community, and when I saw this dress, I knew I wanted to make it. I wasn't sure when, but while talking with Alisa, we decided to use this pattern. I wanted to do something that was pretty simple to work with, and then I also wanted to work with a jersey or a knit fabric. It's one of my favorite materials to work with, and while chatting with her, we both decided on this one. We kind of went back and forth with our different styles, some of the patterns we were thinking about, and we landed on this one. So very excited to bring it to you today. I love how this dress turned out. Before I take you to the 360, I'm going to tell you a little bit of what I did. So the Erica dress does have a turtleneck to it. I think this one isn't holding up because of the fabric that I used for it, but I'm pretty okay with it just like crumpling down because it still looks beautiful. I think if you use something like a ponte knit or something that has a lot of structure when it expands and closes back in, it would look really nice. So a tubular knit would work really well for the neck portion of this, but I like how it looked. I think it turned out really good. The 360 is amazing, and I also have a blog post coming out about this dress. I did do a little insert here, so as you guys can see, I cut the sleeves so that I can add this insert. Now the original pattern has a gathered sleeve, which I didn't interfere with. I just think that it's not puffy because of the looseness of this insert fabric, and this fabric and the insert was purchased at Joann, so I will leave those as well in the description so you guys can check those fabric out. This is just a jersey knit. It has a really nice stretch and recovery. It is about 35 to 45 stretch across wise, so I think that works really well. And again, the back is open, so that's really pretty. Sewing this was not difficult whatsoever. I think the only area that you might be a little concerned about is attaching the neckband. As you can see here, the instructions for this is really clear, but it's much clearer if you watch the video by Erica, and I can leave a link to that as well to help you. Once you see how she does it, it makes the instruction much clearer, so much clearer and easier to work with. I started this dress around 5:30-ish yesterday. So that was Friday, and I got it finished and ready to take videos and pictures on Saturday morning. So this dress is a very quick make. I shortened the sleeves, as you guys can see, and then I also shortened the dress. I think it turned out really great. So let's move into the 360. I'll meet you guys back here to close out.
You're still lingering like the old cologne we're done just like that. Something about you is pulling me back, and I'm holding on. I've been swinging like a pendulum for you. I've been swinging like a pendulum for you. I'll go to bed and wake up broken hearted. Just one more turn and I'm back where I started. I've been swinging like a pendulum. 3 a.m. I call just to hear your voice at the tone. Should I hang it up? Can't decide, I'm going back and forth. Push you away and we're done just like that. Something about you is pulling me back, and I'm holding on. I've been swinging like a pendulum for you. I've been swinging like a pendulum for you. I'll go to bed and wake up broken hearted. Just one more turn and
There you have it. What do you think of my 360? I had so much fun doing this video. We went to a really fun area in New Braunfels and we did the photo shoot. It was the perfect morning. It was not busy. We had the place to ourselves and we found some really good spots for the video and for the photo. I love how it turned out. I think this fabric color works amazing. I think this fabric works really well with my skin tone and I just love how it turned out. I mean, the sleeves could have been a little bit tighter. I went with the size medium, but overall I think the fit is perfect. The dress is really, really beautiful and you can do much with this design. You can use it with lace. I've seen a lot of people make this with lace and it just looks so fabulous, and velvet, so it's just a versatile dress, and the fact that you shorten it if you want, or you can convert it to a blouse, makes it really versatile. And I love that detail in the back. It's such a interesting, unexpected how would you say it? It's just interesting and unexpected feature to the dress as you walk by someone, to see that amazing wow factor in the back. So I have not seen what Alisa has sewn. I think I know what fabric she has chosen, but I cannot wait to see what she did. I'm so happy that we got together to do this collaboration. Thank you again so much for coming over to my channel and checking it out if you are coming and visiting from Alisa's. And for those of you that are my subscribers, don't forget to head over to her channel and see what she has to offer. Thank you guys again. Have a wonderful day and I will see you in another upload. Bye-bye.
We're out of there.